everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Daily Topics. My name is Jack, and I'm very happy you're here today. If you are learning English and you want to speak simple, real English, this podcast is for you. In this episode, we will practice daily English, English you can use in the morning, during the day, in the evening, at night. We will listen, we will discuss, and we will listen again. Before we start, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English. Good job for being here. You are doing something good for yourself. Now relax, sit comfortably, and let's start.
Let's talk about the morning. Please listen first. I wake up at 7 a.m. I will say it again. I wake up at 7 a.m. Good. Wake up means you open your eyes, you stop sleeping. You can change the time. Listen. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m. I wake up early. I wake up late. All are correct. Good job. You are learning step by step. Listen again slowly. I wake up at 7 a.m. Nice. Now let's talk about breakfast. Listen carefully. My quick breakfast is a banana. Again. My quick breakfast is a banana. This sentence sounds real. People really speak like this. You can change the food. Listen. My breakfast is eggs. My breakfast is bread. My breakfast is rice. My breakfast is tea and bread. You can also say, I eat a banana. I drink tea. I drink coffee. Short sentences are perfect. You don't need long sentences. You're doing great. My quick breakfast is a banana. Good job. Now let's add morning actions. Listen. I brush my teeth. Again, I brush my teeth. Other common actions. I take a shower. I wash my face. I get dressed. I check my phone. Now listen to a full sentence. I brush my teeth and take a shower. That's very natural English. Good job. Listen again. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Now let's talk about the day. Listen first. I go to work at 9 a.m. Again. I go to work at 9 a.m. If you are a student, you can say, I go to school. If you work at home, you can say, I work from home. If today is a holiday, you can say, I stay at home today. All are correct. That's a great question if you were thinking about this. Listen again. I go to work at 9 a.m. Nice. Now let's talk about feelings. Listen. I am busy today. Again. I am busy today. Other feelings. I am tired. I am happy. I am stressed. I am relaxed. Listen to this sentence. I am busy, but I am happy. Very good English. You're improving already. Listen again. I am busy today. Now lunchtime. Listen. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Again. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. You can add food. I eat rice. I eat vegetables. I eat fast food. Simple English is enough. Good job. Now the evening. Listen carefully. I come home in the evening. Again, I come home in the evening. You can also say, I go home. Both are correct. Listen. I eat dinner. Again, I eat dinner. Other evening activities. I watch YouTube. I watch TV. I talk with my family. I relax. Example, I eat dinner and watch YouTube. That sounds real. Good job. Now, nighttime. Listen, I go to bed at 11 p.m. Again, I go to bed at 11 p.m. You can also say, I sleep at 11 p.m. Both are correct. Great question if you were thinking about that. Now listen to a full day. First time. I wake up at 7 a.m. My quick breakfast is a banana. I brush my teeth. I go to work at 9 a.m. I am busy today. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I come home in the evening. I eat dinner. I watch YouTube. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Very good. Second time. I wake up. I go to work. I come home. I relax. I go to bed. If you understand this, you are learning English. Let's recap today's key phrases. I wake up at. My breakfast is. I go to work or school. I am busy, tired, or happy. I come home. I eat dinner. I go to bed at. You can now talk about your daily life in English. That is a big step. I'm proud of you. Now tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning? Or, what time do you wake up? Write one simple sentence. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing every day. This is Jack. See you in the next episode.